Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my video all about the P&O Azura cruise ship. By the way, thank you again everyone for subscribing to this channel and giving my videos thumbs ups. I cannot thank you enough. And also thanks to SailPack. The folks at SailPack help sponsor my channel. If you're thinking of going on a cruise in the near future, check out these items you should be taking with you. There's a link down below and you can enter a special code and save some money on these items. Thank you, SailPack. The story I'm going to tell you about takes place in Monte Carlo, in Monaco. The folks were on the cruise ship, the P&O Azura, and they were getting off the cruise ship yesterday to tender in to Monte Carlo for a full day of sightseeing. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's a great place to visit if you ever get the chance. Monte Carlo is really unique, but it's very small. It doesn't necessarily have room in the harbor for large cruise ships. You can see that giant sailboat down there, but the Azura had to basically stay offshore and tender her passengers in. Well, 1,000 passengers came in on tenders and started exploring the city, but as the day went on, the weather got worse, and it got to the point within a few hours that the waves were so bad that the tenders had to be locked down. They could not get the passengers back to the ship, and so they had to spend the night in Monte Carlo. The problem is there's no room at the inn. Monte Carlo is almost always sold out, and so accommodations are hard to find. The passengers were put up in a gymnasium. They were basically taken to a gymnasium. They found cots for them to sleep on. Some folks are sleeping on tabletops. Of course, the problem here is we're dealing with people that are in their 50s and 60s and 70s, and this is not very comfortable, and this is hardly five-star cruising, if you're asking me. Anyway, the next morning, the ship went to Vill Franche Sur Mar, about 20 miles away from Monte Carlo. They grabbed everyone, put them on buses, and tendered them onto the ship in Vill Franche Sur Mar. All passengers are accounted for. They're back on the ship, and they're being attended to in luxury. But there are a lot of upset people having come to a place like this. Five-star, if not six-star famous, and to end up on a basketball court was not what they had in mind when they met with their travel agent months and years ago to book this luxury cruise. But what are you going to do? It happens. Join me Monday Night Live for cruise ship updates, and please subscribe to my channel today. Hit the bell notification icon. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and we'll see everybody next time on Traveling with Bruce. Bye for now.